How to upload large files in Discord. In this video, I will show you how can you easily upload large file in Discord application. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to navigate to any of your web browser and search for Imgur website. Here, this website will help you to reduce the size of the large file which you want to upload in Discord. So click on new post and then after choose the option of choose photo and video which you want to upload in Discord to minimize its size. Then after choose the video or the photo which you want to upload and then click on open. Now this website will create a minimized version of that file. So click on copy link and now you need to open your Discord application. After that, open the server where you want to upload this large file. Then after, paste the link which you just copied from Imgur website. So that's it. That is how easily you can upload large file in Discord application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end.